be a reason why we should miss this. I just wanted to invite masters from Iowa. Can you please join me a minute? Iowa. This master, my dear friends, she is from Iowa and she drove all the way from Iowa to here to attend this event. Why did you come here? Why did you come so far?
Patriji pulled me here. It was such a blissful moment. Each and every second I enjoyed music meditation this morning. So my dear young lovely masters, thank you. I felt like I was in a different realm. So I could drive anywhere for this. So next month, yes, we are driving from Iowa to Raleigh. So our purpose of driving is, we could fly, but each and every moment when we are driving, we are passing the energies to water bodies, to the plant kingdom, mineral kingdom, across all the hills. So we play the music in the car and we spread the joy. When we are playing like Tali Godari in the car, while we are going through the mountains, it was like a bliss. So my husband, he would be driving, myself and kids would be in the meditation and sharing energies to every being. So that's one thing like a joy for us to drive that far.
If this master can drive from all the way from Iowa, there is no reason why your Florida masters cannot drive to Raleigh, right? So thank you.